Hi guys.
And today's topic will be the MySQL functions, precisely the concat function and how to use it in our wpDataTables. So Alexander, can you please explain us a little more about concat function in MySQL?
Yes, of course. Okay, let me share my screen first. All right. Okay. Now, we have a table like this, for example, with world, cities, latitude, longitude, country, and city. What you can do with the concat function is take advantage of a site like this, openstreetmap.org, which contains latitude, longitude, and replace those with the values from the table. So first, we will create a table in wpDataTables from the existing database table. Just to show.
In this case, we will use MySQL table, right?
Yes,
Okay, so great.
yes, of course. We will just copy, remove the backticks, and save changes. Now we will see the table that we see in the database. The WDT ID column is not necessary, so we can hide it. It's a column that can be used for editing, an auto increment column, but we don't need it right now. So if we pull the table like this, it doesn't show us anything but the latitude and longitude data. So we can change the query to include city, lat, longitude, country, and instead of city 1, where it says Tokyo, we're going to concat the website with latitude and longitude. So function concat, a couple of single quotes where we add the anchor tag and we paste the part of the URL before the latitude. So only this part. We copy it and paste it here. Then we append the latitude column from this table and continue with the URL. So we've appended this and we are adding this part, and then we add the longitude column, and we end this with the zoom setting. Close the URL and set it to be target blank so it opens in a new window. Close. Then we can add the city 1 column. City 1. And close the anchor tag. We'll save that as link to map. And that is all coming from the same table. We save the changes. And you can see that these are all hyperlinks now. You can see on the bottom left that it's changing and applying the latitude and longitude. So if I click on this, it takes me to a new tab and zooms in on, let me see, this is Abidjan. So if I zoom out, that's it, Abidjan.
Okay, nice.
So that pretty much explains the concat function.
Okay, is the sorting working also, or
Well, since we're using concat, I don't know yet. Let's try. I believe so. Sorting is working. Let's see. I'm on. Filtering is still working. Let me click on this.
There's no need to create a view for this case.
In this case, no, but as we know, the concat function is sensitive. The PHP SQL parser that we use can cause issues with sort, search, and filtering. So let me try one more thing. Ankara. Looks like the search doesn't work. It's loading.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is an issue with the PHP SQL parser that we use. So again, as explained in the previous video, you can create a view from this exact query, and it should work.
Okay, thanks. This can be very helpful.
Well, yeah, especially if you have some data in the table. For example, if this was a user ID and this was the name of the user, and you have a page for your users. For example, if this was your website.org where user ID equals, you can append the value from column to that using the concat function. And when you click on it, it opens the user's profile on another page, just like we did with the maps here.
Okay, nice. Okay, that's it, right?
Well, if you don't have any other questions, that should be it.
This is a short video, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, let me stop presenting.
Okay. Yeah, short video, so I think it can be very useful for our customers, and also they can see how they can write query by their own with this video.
Yeah, I agree. The concat function is something that's often used in our support platform. It's just that we need to explain how to get the results that the users need. So I hope that this video will come in handy.
I hope also. So guys, if you have any questions or suggestions which other functions we should record and display to you, go to tutorial, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you again, and thank you, Alexander, as well.
You're welcome, Bogdan.
See you guys in another video. Bye.
Stay safe.